Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm one of the member of Group I. So this is my group member. So our leader is one Ahmad HAMZIZAFRI bin one MAAROF. And then the second member is Muhammad IHSAN bin AZMAN. And then the third member is Ku Muhammad FAIKMALHAFIS bin Ku RAZALI. And the last one is me, and I'm Muhammad ZARITH bin KAMARUZAMAN. So today I will present about our project. So this is introduction of CAD/CAM. So CAD/CAM is computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing software. Is used to design and manufacture prototypes, finish product and production runs of product. CAD/CAM application are used to both design a product and program manufacturing process, specifically CNC machine. CAM software use the models and assemblies create in CAD software like Fusion 360 to generate toolpath that drive machine tools to turn designs into physical parts. CAD/CAM software is used to design and manufacture prototypes, finish parts, and production runs. So for the acknowledgement, we are very grateful that our project was complete on time by Prof. Nordin Asimi. Thank you for the guidance from Prof. Nordin Asimi, who taught us a lot in this CAD/CAM subject. Not to be forgotten is the good service of our instructor, Encik Rizal, who taught us a lot about the use of software that we use, namely Fusion 360 and VeriCAD, to complete the given task. This task will not be complete without the joint efforts of each member of our group. Wan Ahmad HAMZIZAFRI bin Wan MAAROF, Muhammad Ihsan bin Azman, Ku Muhammad FAIKMALHAFIS bin Ku RAZALI. So for the project introduction, so molding is the process of manufacturing by shaping liquid or pliable raw material using a rigid frame called a mold or matrix. This itself may have been made using a pattern or model of the final object. A mold is a hollowed out block that is filled with liquid or pliable materials such as plastic, glass, metal, or ceramic. The liquid hardens or sets inside the mold, adopting its shape. A mold is a counterpart to a cast. The very common by with molding process use two models, one for each half of the object. So this is the job duty for our group member. So one Ahmad HAMZIZAFRI, our leader, is design. He make design for mold 2 using Fusion, and then post process using VeriCAD, and then for the group report. So the second one is Ku Muhammad. He designed mold 3 and 4, and then interpret the book post process using VeriCAD, and then the last one is he also doing the group report. So I'm Muhammad Zarif. So I'm doing design of the bucket using Fusion 360, and then also generate G code using VeriCAD, and then for the group report. And then for the last one is Muhammad Ihsan. He designed the mode 1 using Fusion 360 and generate G code using that's all from me. So Anji.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for the project, CAD/CAM, we choose to design and closed bucket molding. So this is the image. For this design, we differentiate the part to everyone, so everyone can design their own part. I design mode 2, Ihsan design mode 1, and Ku Muhammad design mode 3. Next slide. So this is the final design for closed bucket in Fusion. Next slide. This is a top view, front view, and isometric view in Fusion 360 software. After design the project, we need to do post process to get a G code to insert into VeriCAD software and to get the simulation. So this is mode 1 post process. So basically, to do this process is just click to the manufacture program in Fusion 360. Then we do the origin. We set the origin, and then we set the tool. For the tool used in this post process, 10 mm tool, 10 mm cutter, bull nose and mill. So in this post process, we use adaptive clearing. So you can see the final post process for this mode 1. Next slide. And then this is the second image for the mode 1. That's all from me. I pass to Muhammad Ihsan for process 2.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For mode 2, we also use 3D adaptive clearing for the post process. We just change the tool to 8mm tool, cutting tool. We also use the bonus and mill. Okay, next slide. This is the final image for the after the post process. Okay, next slide. Okay, for the mode 3 and mode 4, we also use the 3D adaptive clearing for the post process. We just change the cutting tool for this process is 5mm tool. Okay, next. Okay, this is the image of the post process. Okay, next. Okay, after post process is done, we generate the code in the Fusion 360. We put in the VeriCAD software. Okay, for the mode 1, next slide. To generate code into VeriCAD software, first open the project and select the milling program. Next, add a workpiece according to the dimension workpiece which has been used in Fusion 360 software for this project. Furthermore, set the program 0 to the workpiece which is coordinate system. Add the NC program for the post process which has been done in Fusion 360. Then add the tool according to the manufacturing process in Fusion 360 which is 10mm. Then next set the origin for the tool and workpiece so that it is exactly right. Lastly, click the play button and machine will automatically work. above is the link video for Mod 1. Okay, next. For Mod 2, I I will give to Go Muhammad FAIKMALHAFIS for more explanation.
Okay, for Mode 2, to generate G code into Vericat software, first open the project and select the milling program. Next, add a workpiece according the dimension workpiece which has been used in Fusion 360 software for the project. Furthermore, set the program 0 to workpiece which is coordinate system. Add the NC program from the post process which has been done in Fusion 360. Then add the tool according to the manufacturing process in Fusion 360 which is 8 mm. Set the origin for the tool and workpiece so that it is exactly right. Lastly, click the play button and machine will automatically work. Uh, and then the link for video. Next. And then the last mod 3 and mod 4. This is Verica in Verica. Next. Okay, for mod 3 and 4 to generate G code into Verica software. Uh, First, open the project and select the melee program. Next, add the workpiece according the dimension workpiece and which has been used in Fusion 360 software for the project. Furthermore, set the program 0 to the workpiece, which is coordinate system. Add the NC program to the post process, which has been done in Fusion 360. Then add the tool according the manufacturing process in Fusion 360, which is 5 mm. Set the uh, origin for the tool and workpiece so that it's exactly right. Lastly, click the play button and machine will operate automatically. Mode 3 and 4 are the same part but different direction, so we generate once. It's, and last the video link for video. Okay, next. Okay, for the conclusion, in conclusion, based on the assignment of the group, we receive a lot of challenge when want to complete this project. We need to solve the problem in encountered while doing the post process because there are many errors. We need to make sure the tool used during the post process are in the line which the process will be run. We have difficult due to lack and knowledgeable about the use software and skill to complete tasks. In addition, we need to apply everything we learn for the whole semester. Okay, next. Okay, achievement. In this pro- project, we was able to find out more about Fusion 360 software. Many times we in each function in Fusion 360. We can also learn about molding and the close bucket. Furthermore, we learn how to post-process the project to get coding and we put in Vericat software to generate. By working in group, we can further facilitate our work complete this given task. Finally, which this task given can give us all new experience as well as knowledge on the skill of using Fusion 360 software and Vericat software to facilitate us to apply during work later if this software is used. Okay, for shortcoming, by working in group, we can all work in each other. This is because we have all decide our tasks and set a date to send to the group leader to combine this inadvertent- inadvertently strengthen the relationship because it's always communicate and discuss the given task. And the last one, expected date submission by 7 February 2000. Thank you. That's all.